Hello everyone, I'm Anu, an English language trainer. In last video, we discussed am, is, are, use of be1. In this video, I'm going to share with you how do we use be2, was and were. In present, we use am, is, are. In past, we use was and were. Some example: I am at home, I was at home. I am tired, I was tired. The weather is nice today, the weather was nice yesterday. Where is and where was and yesterday? With I, he, she, it, we use was. We, you, they, we use were. With singular noun was, plural noun were. Negative to make negative: was plus not, wasn't, were plus not, weren't. Now with the formula subject be2 object. According to the subject we use be2. If the subject is singular, I, he, she, it, we use was. If the subject is plural, we, you, they, we use were. Subject be2 object. I was at home. To make negative, subject be2 not object. I wasn't at home. To make question, be2 comes at the beginning. be2 subject object. Was I at home? Negative question, be2 plus not plus object. Wasn't I at home? Similarly, if we use we were at home, we weren't at home, were we at home, weren't we at home. This way you make 5 sentences of each. As example, I was at home, I was at market, I was in the garden, I was at the cinema, I was at work. This way you make positive, negative question or practices. Write in your copy, practice them. It sat in your tongue of was and were. So this is the end of the lesson. If you like my channel, do subscribe and share, hit the bell icon and thumbs up. As I usually say, English hai aasan, the simplest and the coolest way to speak in English.